How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, buying Bitcoin on Trust Wallet is fairly simple. You simply open up the Trust Wallet application and just go ahead and then log into your account. Then you just tap the buy button that you can find over here. Then over here you can see BTC, so you can tap on the BTC option, which is Bitcoin. Now you have to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy 200 US dollars worth of Bitcoin. Here you can simply select that. Then you will get 0.004527 amount of BTC. Now once you have done that, you can choose to basically pay with credit card or debit card or whatever else. Then tap on the buy option and then you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. And that's all it takes to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.